Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday, and I am going to do this mask. I did start opening it. This is from Spa Life and this is from Crusty Kristen. I won this in a giveaway from her and I've got a few things to talk to y'all about. Let's get this on. Whoops, I pulled the tray out but they didn't come out with the tray, so let's get in there. They're gels and they have a lot of good essence on them. Let's see if I can figure out how they should go. I'm gonna say like this. I think they're pretty cool. And I've never seen these before and I thought they were really cool. And I won a Halloween, I can't speak here lately. I don't know what's wrong going on with me. I won a Halloween giveaway from Crusty Kristen. And then I said I would show some of the things she gave me in that giveaway. I was gonna swatch for you. And I also won a giveaway from Makeup by Pia, and I am going to swatch some of the things she sent as well. So I want to get that started. And okay, babies, I am filming this on Sunday afternoon, and my cats are fighting, and I have to be very careful right now because I just came from urgent care. I have an allergic reaction to something, and I'm broke out in a few places. On my right side, I got a flu shot on Friday. That's the only thing new in my life that I can think of anyway. I haven't eaten anything different. I haven't, well, I mean, the long list of stuff. We can't figure it out. So I got a shot, a steroid shot, and see, I'm itchy and I'm red. So I'm gonna do this and then get it off of me. This is 15 to 20 minutes, it says, to keep it on. Okay, so I have some friend mail, and I have, let me make sure there's no addresses, 3 cards. And the first one is this one. Let's see what it says. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that, all the swans. Beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's a big, long letter. Okay, Dear Mary Catherine. Well, this is rather personal from Amy Catherine. Amy Catherine is a subscriber, and she is thanking me. She won a giveaway, so she's thanking me, and it's just, you know, personal, so I'm not going to read it all. And then this one is from Lori Daniel, and this has this beautiful today's prayer in it. You will always harvest what you plant. Galatians 6. Is that 6:7 or 6:1? Galatians 6:1. Yeah. You will always harvest what you plant. And then this beautiful card. And this card says, to Mary Smudge Blue. And what is she? Well, she's got a nickname for Camille. Cammy, I think she's saying. I don't know why personal stuff, so I won't read that out loud. She's thanking me for winning a giveaway. Okay, Blue, come on through. They're all here. They're all right here. Okay, and then this one is from Betty Vick. Betty Vick recently won my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. This, though, says wishes for a speedy recovery. And no, Betty doesn't know that what's happened to me. This card is not for me. This card is for Camille. So let's open this up and see what's in there. Oh, how cute is that? It says, just me. That is so cute. It is called Booful, made with 100% love and cuddles. Isn't that pretty? This is American Greetings. Oh, Grandpa's favorite sweater was old and frayed. That's so cute. Okay, let's open it up. Dear Camille, keeping my everything crossed that you'll get well soon. I hope that you are leaping and jumping around soon. Love you, Betty. It's so sweet, Betty. She never stopped. She never stopped. She had her surgery. She was spayed. Now it's been almost 2 weeks, and she did fantastic. And she hardly ever rested. I do have a video that hasn't gone up yet where she's standing right here in the whole video, pretty much sleeping. But I haven't had a chance to post that video yet. Y'all, I have a lot of videos. So let me show you what I'm gonna swatch, if I can move around the cats that are all around me. Okay, I've got a bunch of stuff. I won this from Crusty Kristen, And I've got some things to swatch, and Blue, are you sitting on some of them? Yeah, they always do that, you know. Okay, so I thought this was the cutest thing. This little Estate eyeshadow. Oh, by the way, y'all, I was supposed to announce the winner for my giveaway from last Monday I did a collab with Carol Gardner. And I said November 5th instead of October 29 was the end date. And I even put it in my description. So I'm going to pick my winner next week. And I'm sorry to Carol because she's the only one who caught it. She's the one who told me about it. And I'm like, why did I do that? So I don't know what I was thinking, but usually I run those kind of things a week. And Carol and I were doing that together. So I think, is still picking her winner. So look for that. But here, this little cute Estate. This is a single. I may have swatched this when I got it. This is, what is the name of this? It is called Virginity. It's very beautiful. It's a very wonderful basic it's a nice creamy formula. And it is an eyeshadow, but heck, you could use that as a highlighter or all kinds of things. And I got these fabulous wipes from the lovely Miss Pia. So I want to give away from her. And I really like them. They're very nice and soft. They have a lovely scent to them. Very nice scent. Okay, so this is what else I got. I got this lippy. It's Mimi High Shine Gloss. M-E-M-I. And I don't know that this is going to be a color that I would use, so I'm not going to swatch this one. It's hard to tell because it's like frosty. It may be a color I'll use. But this one, Estate, I know that I have something very similar to this, but I like Estate lippies, and this is beautiful, so I will swatch this. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful for the fall. And that's a nice lip gloss. Let's see what it says. It's called Juicy. And it doesn't say what it is. I don't know if it's going to dry down or not, but that's beautiful. Very beautiful. This one I'll pass along or put in another giveaway or something. And then there was this LA Colors gel eyeliner because it was a Halloween themed giveaway. So, I did open this to try to get it started because I have trouble with packaging, as y'all know. And here it is. It's neon gel eyeliner. Cool. Okay. Whoops. Okay, there it is. Let's see. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it is neon. It's really a soft tip. Can you see it there, the green? That's cool. I like that. Very interesting, very neat. And then also I got the Max Factor 2000 calorie. Remember Max Factor 2000 calorie? I haven't had that in ages. And that looks like a fantastic brush. So that's going right into my arsenal of mascaras. And I also got this holographic lip gloss. Now, if you can see, it looks like a ghost. You know, it's white looking. But let me see if you can see some of the shine. Isn't that pretty? Well, I don't know. It's not picking up the opalescence, the iridescence, or whatever you want to call it, but that's really cool. So I'm going to see. Let's see. Ooh. What does that smell like? It smells fantastic. Irresistible. Irresistible. It smells like coffee. I'm looking for it on the package to see if it says. Add sparkle and shine. Did I add sparkle and shine to my lips? Wear alone or over lip color. Camille, could you calm it on down? It smells really good. I want to say like a vanilla coffee. It doesn't say anywhere on it that it's going to smell good. Iridescent lip gloss. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Kristen. I love it. And then this also is from Kristen, I believe. The LA Colors Witchy. So look at that fabulous palette. It looks like fun. It was in an outer wrap and everything, and I took that off and opened it up. So let's just swatch it real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 7 colors. And then I have one more to swatch. And that one's from Pia. So I don't see color names. So this is just, you can make a nice witchy look out of this. They're very light. You wipe my fingers off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this, I like, this has a nice black matte. That'd be nice to use for some of the duochromes and multi-chromes that we get. People say to use black as a base. So I wonder if that would work well with that. So that is that palette, the LA Colors Witchy palette. So that was my Halloween giveaway that I won. I have this wonderful mirror, by the way. A fabulous subscriber sent it to me. It says, "I shall always be with you," from Disney's Hocus Pocus. This is from ColourPop. I love this mirror. I use it year round. I don't just wait. I don't just wait for Halloween. And then I got this from Pia. I won several things from Pia. And this is W7 brand, Eyes of London. And it's very beautiful. And I wanted to swatch it with y'all. There's a British flag. There's a crown. There's a W7. There's a rose. And there's a Ferris wheel. If you can see those pressed in. But those are my colors, y'all. Those are my colors. So let's see. And there's a lot of shimmer. A lot of shimmer going on there. Look at those. Let's see. Where can I put these? Let's try here. Those are nice. And they one swipe, I like that. One swipe. And now here's the middle row is darker. And I think these are all shimmers, which I love. Beautiful. Hey, these are really beautiful. I don't know anything about W7 Pia, so it's from London. These are really nice. What am I trying to say? Oh, how beautiful. That's me. That's me right there. Excuse me. The pigment is wonderful on this palette. Wonderful. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. And every one of them is a shimmer. Some not as shimmery as others. Like this dark in the middle. See, that's more of a matte, but it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. But I love these shades. Camille jumped right into the palette. And it closes with a magnet. So, all right, fighting going on now. See, they don't like her. All right, y'all, I've got to get going because this is Mask Monday. And hopefully you have a lot more other Mask Monday channels you want to go check out. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. I do have this one last lip oil, and it says it's in orange. I forgot about it. It got moved to the side. It does smell like orange. Okay, y'all, count your blessings. Count your blessings, y'all. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Happy Halloween, everybody.